Madhav Bhayani from RoboFunLab Porbandar. Today I make remote control car connect with Bluetooth. This is master and this is slave. In master I have used one brick and two touch sensor. In car I have used one brick, two large motor and one medium motor. I have programmed that when this up button is pressed, car will move forward. When this down button is pressed, car will move backward. When this right button is pressed, car will turn right. When this left button is pressed, car will turn left. And when this center button is pressed, car will stop. Let's see how it's work. And I have programmed that when this two touch sensor is pressed at same time, car will move forward. When this right touch sensor is pressed, car will turn right. When this left touch sensor is pressed, car will turn left. Let's see how it works.